Hello, hello! How to make Pochita in Blender. Subdivided cube for the body, add more subdivided cubes for the legs, or you can just add spheres if you want. Block out using these primitive shapes for the legs and also for the muzzle. Join them all and start sculpting by blending or smoothing. Use a grab brush to shape the body further and to pull out the tail. Add a cylinder, pull this first to make this shape. Add a loop and duplicate it and convert it to curve. Add a cube, add a looped and bevel, select the middle loop and Alt-S to scale it inwards. Add a triangular shape and duplicate it and make the other one smaller. Add an array, then add a curve modifier and select curve. And place a chainsaw on his head. Add a circle for the eyes and fill it in. Add a solidify and subdiv modifier. And just duplicate the faces to make the iris. Add a single vert here and extrude to the right, up, then left. Add a mirror, skin, and subdiv modifier. Add another single vert here and extrude, then skin and subdiv modifier. Then same process for the tail. Sculpt some more details on the feet, then add a tongue. Thanks, bye!